What's going on, YouTube? How's it going today? Today we got something new on the bench. We have the Redcat Volcano 16th scale monster truck. This bad boy is ready to run. Brushed. Show you the box here. Comes with 2 batteries and the truck with the radio. We're going to run this thing through its paces and see what it's got. But first, let's get this thing out of the box. Alright, so we got it out of the box. Taking a quick little gander at the truck. Very nice. I actually really like it. I dig it. It's a cute little guy. Anyways, we have a baggie here. Looks like one of our batteries is here. Like I said, there's 2. There is another one in the truck as well. We have a little light kit, a charger to charge the batteries, extra body clips, a full sticker sheet, the Redcat manual for our truck. That was the back side of it. Sorry guys if the video is a little wonky. My GoPro took a poo on me, which really sucks. So I need to contact them and figure out what I gotta do. There's the manual. Then we have the radio. Alright, now let's get to the meat and potatoes. I already have the body clips off so I can free up a hand. There's the wheels. Remember guys, before you put the stickers on, this does have a protective film over the body. So make sure you do peel that off. You can see the plastic there. Rip that off of there before you do your stickers. And here is the truck. It is brushed. We are going to run it bone stock to see how it handles. As you can see, they are friction shocks. The little brush setup. I don't expect this thing to go very fast at all, but there's the underneath. But it's still going to be fun, and put some brushes in it and make it really fun. But that's enough of looking at this thing. Let's go take it outside and give it a rip. Alright, here we are. We have the little mini Redcat Volcano 16 scale. We are going to, real quick, run this first on pavement. And then we got a little grass off-road area with the branch. We're going to put this little fun on it. Alright, here we go. This is brush, guys, fully stocked.
Jesus. I can barely keep up.
It's actually not bad for brush.
Whoa, about crashed.
Oh, I'm in the grass already.
Hop the curb.
I guess I could have. This is fully stocked, ready to run. It comes with 2 batteries. It's actually pretty neat. Alright, we're going to go ahead now and set up for some off-road out on the grass. Alright, here we go. Oh my god. Now guys, believe it or not, this is actually some pretty thick grass. And it's handling it pretty good for brush. Dude, this thing's moving. $80.
I'm like 90 or something
Yeah,
around there.
$88. Uh-oh. I missed. We are going to fully hop this up, put some leather socks on it, full metal gear. See, this is fun. I knew I was going to miss this too. This is an 800 milliamp ion, I think it is.
Yeah, it's a Lion battery.
So I don't know how much runtime will be. Oops.
Good job.
Yeah.
Surprised I didn't break it.
Wow. This thing is fun.
You know what's not fun? The sun beating on my back.
That's good for you. I cannot believe that this thing's ripping through that thick grass.
Yeah, I was skeptical.
Womp, womp, womp.
Okay, cameraman on the action here. Yeah. This is the jump.
Guys, we do have a skate park here, and once we have this thing up, we are going to skate park.
Yep, this thing will be skate park official.
Over here, and we're going to talk about this truck real quick. Alright guys, so thoughts. I'm not gonna lie, 88 bucks. It's fun. Like, I had a lot of fun. It's a really good truck. I highly do recommend it. Beginners, non-beginners, because like I said, they make a lot of upgrades for this thing, and we're gonna purchase them and try them and have a lot of fun. So hit that subscribe button, guys. Follow along if you want to see where this truck goes. And there's lots of other videos. I'm actually working on another one. Give a quick sneak peek. That's coming up soon. Alright guys, that's going to do it for me. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Keep RCing. Later.